friends, welcome to Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Falafels. Falafels are a well-known Middle Eastern dish originated from Egypt that is made from chickpeas or fava beans, or a combination of both beans. Today, we are going to share a foolproof falafel recipe with simple ingredients that are available in every household pantry. Check the description box below to see the ingredients. Soak chickpeas for 8 hours in cold water. Drain bean. Add soaked chickpea to the food processor and pulse bean on high speed until smooth. We are using a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a chutney grinder. Onion. Add garlic. Cilantro. We are using cilantro. If you like the flavor of parsley, you can use that as well. Coriander powder. Cumin. Pepper. Salt. To the bean and process until the vegetables are finely chopped. Dissolve baking soda in water. Run food processor on high speed and add the baking soda and water mixture. Process until the batter is smooth. To make the patties, take a small amount of the mixture and form it into a ball. Chill for 30 minutes in refrigerator. After 30 minutes, heat oil. Add the patties and fry 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Repeat till all the patties are fried. We are not frying all of the patties today. Here is another tip. Use a piece of parchment paper or aluminum foil and lay the patties and freeze for 8 to 10 hours. Then you can add them into a Ziploc bag and freeze. It is good until 2 months. Appetizing falafel is ready for serving. Serve with tahini, tzatziki sauce, and hummus. Are you wondering how to make this tzatziki sauce? Well, you're in luck because we made a video. There will be a suggested video that pops up so you can click it and see how to make this amazing dip. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon on our next video. Bye!